Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to play music through your microphone on your PC. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Step 1. Download the SteelSeries application. Use the official website, create an account, and sign in. Once open, go to Sonar. Step 2. Enable streamer mode. The first time you enable it, you'll get quick instructions on how it works. Step 3. Set up your audio devices. For speakers, select your normal speakers. For master, select SteelSeries Sonar Master. For microphone, select your actual microphone. Step 4. Add the media option. Enable media inside the app. This lets you route music from your PC or Spotify into your MIC channel. Step 5. Configure your app or Discord. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Set the input device to SteelSeries Sonar. Now, any music you play on your computer will play through your microphone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.